안녕하세요. Today I'm going to make Korean traditional pancakes. We make these pancakes for Korean traditional holidays like Chinese New Year or Thanksgiving Day. And I will show you how to make it in simple way with different ingredients. I cut zucchini and king oyster mushroom. And coated with the flour and egg, which I added salt to make more flavors. This is basic for this part. And just put vegetable oil or canola oil on fry pan and pan fry. And I garnish it with red chili to make it prettier. And I'm making skewed pancake. It's like kebab. Cut everything same size, like 1 centimeter. I use king oyster mushroom, pickled radish, spring onion, crab meat, and ham. But if you are vegetarian, you can only use vegetables you have, or you can add meat. And just coat with the flour and egg and pan fry. It's like a kebab. And kids love it. You can put in kids' lunchbox. And now I'm making Korean Mincemeat pancake, like a meatball pancake. My friend told me it's like a burger, but it's Korean style. This time I use different vegetables to fill in. I used mini capsicums, chili, shitake mushroom, and sesame leaf. And gently dip inside to fill in their meat. We use tofu for the minced meat. I got rid of water with the kitchen paper towel, but you can use light cloth and put tofu inside and squeeze it and get rid of water. And then just chop onion, spring onion, put in the bowl. And garlic paste, salty, pepper, and mirin, sesame oil, and simply mix. So this is done. So you can put in different vegetables. I really recommend this for the party as a finger food. And this is the original way make meatball and make it flat, because you need to pan fry. What you put in shitake mushroom, chili, sesame leaf. It's good for finger food when you have a party, and it's more creative and pretty. And then coat with the flour, then eggs, and pan fry. We call 동그랑 means round. Fill up oil and pan fry. Put on the plate with the same ingredient. Different. And now I'm making oyster pancakes. This is my favorite. I love oysters. Go with the flour and with egg. I added salt and pepper and spring onion to have more flavors and crispiness. and coated with oyster and fry. Yum. I didn't get rid of the shell. I used as a plate. And now I'm making Enoki mushroom pancake. So with the egg, I added this little bit of flour and then salt and pepper, and chopped Enoki mushroom and vegetables, whatever you have. Just use your spoon and put on the slice and cook it. And this is really healthy, good for kids' lunchbox. Delicious. If you only use egg, you can do it, but too runny. So I recommend use flour. If you are gluten-free, use corn flour or rice flour. Make it sticky. And now I'm making tuna pancakes. I use tuna in spring water. Get rid of water. Then chop onion and spring onions. You can use 1 egg or 2 eggs or 3 eggs. If you put more eggs, you put more flours. I added the corn flour and flour together, but if you are gluten free, you can add only corn flour or you can only add plain flour, but I like mixed flours. And garlic paste, salt and pepper, and a bit of sesame oil. And use your tablespoon, put on the plate. After put a little bit of oil and pan fry. I really recommend this for lunchbox, and really tasty with tomato sauce or ketchup. My kids love it. Or it's good for your beer. And this is the most popular and common way to make pancakes. You don't have to use all different flours, but I use plain flour, corn flour, rice flour. The rice flour and corn flour make it crispy. Eggs, salt and pepper, and minced garlic and water. Or you can buy pancake flours from Korean grocery. You put whatever you have. Once you make the dough, this is garlic chives pancakes. You can add spring onion or others instead. It's just really simple. Once you make the dough, you just put whatever you have in your fridge. You can make it small or big, cut it like what I did. It's up to you. Always remember that if you want to make it gluten-free, use corn flour or rice flour instead. This is vegetable pancakes. I used zucchini, carrot, onion, but you can use whatever you have, and it's really healthy and tasty, trust me. And I'm making seafood pancake, which is the most popular one in Korea. I used clam meat, crab meat, prawn, squid. I chopped everything and put in there, and lots of the spring onion, because the spring onion make a crispy texture, have more flavors, and it's really nice. I always cook this for my party. Everyone loves it. And cook sesame on the frying pan with a little bit of oil. Yum. And now I'm making potato pancake, which is really simple. Just the potato and salt and mix. You can add water and get rid of water after half an hour and use on the starch, but I only use two potato and salt. Oh yum. It's really healthy and simple. And this is kimchi. It's same dough as seafood pancake. You just chop kimchi and add in the bowl, and I recommend put squid. But it's up to you. Oh, all good. It's all done. Thank you for watching my video again, and I will see you soon.